I'm Analou. Welcome to AAVP.OE's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to building and editing a quiz. This is the course section. To edit the quiz, click Turn Editing On. Click on the quiz, then click Edit Quiz. Click Add a new question, then choose a question type you want to add. For example, a multiple choice question. Click Add. Then, type in the question name. For example, short quiz 1. Type in the question text in the text box. For example, what kind of animal is feline? Default mark 1. Type in the choices. Choice 1, cat. Choice 2, dog. Choice 3, fish. Choice 4, rat. Choice 5, frog. Then, put 100 grade on the correct answer. In this question, the correct answer is cat. So we put 100% to the correct answer, cat. You can also put a feedback. For example, excellent. Then, click Save Changes. To preview the quiz, just click the magnifying icon. This is the quiz we've created. Then close Preview. You can also add a new question from the question bank. Just click Add from the question bank. This then will open the stored question. This is the stored questions. Then choose the questions. For example, here, click on the box. Then add selected question to the quiz. This is now the quiz. Another way to preview the quizzes is by go to Administration panel, then click Preview. That's all. I hope you learned from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Check our other tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you!